Welcome! Hi everyone, this is Petra from the visual department of JayWay Travel, and coincidentally today I'm at the Berlin Christmas market, so I decided to take you along.
Let's be honest, nobody does Christmas markets like Germans do. So, while I was in the capital, I decided to visit Christmas market on Alexanderplatz, right under the Fernsehturm. And there is nothing better to drink at Christmas markets than Glühwein, a type of mulled wine with its characteristic spices and smell. You can buy everything from Christmas ornaments to local handmade products on the markets, or just stroll around with a beverage of your choice and soak in the holiday atmosphere. Of course, there is also plenty of snacks and food everywhere. Later on, we opted for a warm sausage, and I chose the vegetarian option, Hungarian langos. For adventurers, there are two main sites on this market. The huge Ferris wheel that can be seen from all around, and an ice skating rink built around the Neptune fountain. No matter what holidays you celebrate this season, we wish you the best, and maybe you'll join us here in Europe next year for some celebrations and some Glühwein. We hope you like this video and see you around. Bye!